Do you want to speak about fruits like a native? Let me tell you a juicy story. Juicy means interesting and full of real juice, like fruits. I really enjoy eating fruits. They are sweet, juicy, and good for your health. Juicy means full of juice, like when you bite a fruit and juice comes out. I eat fruits every day, especially in the morning. They give me energy and make me feel fresh. Fresh means new, not old or bad, like fresh bread or fresh air. My favorite fruit is the cherry. Cherries are small, red, and very sweet. I love to eat them cold, straight from the fridge. Fridge means refrigerator, the cold box where we keep food. In summer, I go to the fruit shop near my house. I usually ask, "Hi, do you have fresh cherries today?" If they say yes, I buy half a kilo or sometimes 1 kilo. Kilo is a short way to say kilogram. It's how we measure fruit. Another fruit I enjoy is watermelon. My favorite kind is the yellow watermelon. It's very sweet, soft, and full of water, perfect on a hot day. Sometimes I ask, "Can you give me a sweet one?" Then I tap on the watermelon and listen. If it sounds deep, that means it's ripe. Ripe means ready to eat. Not too hard, not too soft. Here's a fun idiom. Cool as a cucumber. It means very calm and relaxed. When I eat cold watermelon or cucumber in summer, I feel cool as a cucumber. Like this kind of story? Hit that like button and stay fresh with your English. I also like strawberries. They're not very sweet, but they smell really nice. I put them in yogurt or make juice. At the shop, I ask, "Are the strawberries sweet or sour?" Sour means not sweet, like a lemon. At home, we eat many fruits: bananas, apples, grapes, peaches, and more. Grapes are small, round fruits. Peaches are soft and fuzzy outside. Every fruit helps your body in a different way. Bananas give energy, apples help the stomach, and grapes are good for your skin. So remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This means if you eat healthy food like apples, you won't get sick often. Fruits are tasty, fun to eat, and great for your health. Next time you go shopping, ask, "What fresh fruits do you have today?"